Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change your Twitter display name and username. So let's take a look. Maybe sometime you need to change your Twitter username or display name some cases. Now I am going to share with you how you can change your Twitter display name and username. In order to do that, I am going to open my Twitter account. In this case, here you will see two things. This is my name Abdurrahim, and this is my display name, and this @handling which is my username. So if I like to change my username, what I should do, I have to click here in upper side corner profile, and here you will see setting and privacy. Simply click over there, and here you see username. Type whatever username you want type, and you can check that if it is available, then you will see that green color. If it is not available, you will see red color. And simply, if you like to change your username, set the username you would like to set, and simply click save changes. But I am not going to change, I am not going to update my username. Now I am going to share with you how to change your display name. In order to change your display name, go to profile and then click on edit profile. Here you type your display name, whatever you want display name in your profile, and simply click on save change, and it will appear here. So this is how you can change your Twitter display name and username. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.